guys, welcome to my channel, and I know you are surprised today. I'm holding a drink and I'm just going to tell you what happened, how I got it. Alright, and I was having a conversation with an interested trader, and I just mentioned some topical terms to him, and then he decided to, you know, applied it on his own, and he just came all of a sudden say, Barry, what you told me was it worked for me and I got the extra $50. I said, are you serious? Sorry, extra $60. I said, wow. I said, how long? He said, within few seconds from just a $10 deposit, and he was so happy, and he said, Barry, ask for anything, ask for anything. I said, I don't know what to ask for. He said, do you drink alcohol? I said, I don't drink alcohol. He said, I'll just buy you a drink. And then he went and bought me this drink. Alright, so his name is Gideon. Okay, you can see I don't drink alcohol. It's not I drink alcohol, but I'm not that good at alcohol. So uh, Gideon, if you're watching this video, thank you very much for this. I really appreciate. I'm so much happy to see people successful, especially those that get successful through what I give to them. Okay, so I'm glad that you're making profit. I'm glad that you were able to apply the idea I give to you well enough. All right, so those of y'all that do call me and tell me, oh, your training is good, your YouTube is good, please do well to always comment if it's really beneficial to you. Do well to always comment, like my video, share to others, so that others will share in the benefit and will help alleviate poverty and eliminate everything that that will lead to lack of finance. So thank you, Gideon, and I hope and I bless you. More success to you. All right.